Alright, welcome to another unboxing video. We are looking at Tina Baker's gemstones. You might recognize the name Tina Baker. She's one of our goldsmiths that has a lot of jewelry here at the shop. She is getting ready to retire, and she was telling me how she was going through and found all these really cool gemstones in her collection. And I was like, hey, have I got the place for you? We're having a gem show and sale. Why don't you bring some stuff by? And she did not disappoint. So we've got this really amazing boulder opal. Really cool. What else did she? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Check this guy out. This is quartz with these really cool kind of shadow inclusions showing the crystal structure growth. Really, really neat. Oh, I love these. Tourmaline slices that are checkerboard cut across the top, and then have this really cool kind of peachy tones throughout. Super sweet. What else we got? So this is a African sunstone. So it's got a whole bunch of little inclusions in it. Very neat. All right, oh, this is one of my favorites. Okay, check this out. This is a hand-carved druzy quartz leaf. And you can see some of the natural formation. And then the leaf is hand-carved. Doesn't it just look like sugar? I think it looks like sugar. Like, seriously, I just want to eat that. So good. All right. Speaking of druzy, this is a garnet druzy. It's called Yavaravite. You can see that 10 times fast. Carved into a leaf. So druzy crystals are, and this is naturally formed. It's the natural formation. They're tiny little microcrystals, like a miniature geode, lining the surface of the gem. So rad. Okay, let's see, what am I going to look at next? The lid. Okay, these beautiful, beautiful aquamarine matched pair. Really unusual cut, a leaf cut. Very sparkly, very pretty. A really pretty pair of Afghan lapis. These would make really, really great earrings. They would also make amazing cufflinks. Beautiful, beautiful color. Okay. Ah, these are cool. So remember the strawberry quartz I was showing you earlier? This is a matched pair with the inclusions just running straight down the center of each gem. Don't worry, gems are tough. So neat. So cool. Alright, and then let's see here. This is actually a green beryl. So the gemstone beryl we usually know for emerald when it's a dark green. We also know it when it's blue for aquamarine and pink for morganite, but it actually does come in a lot of different colors. When it's yellow, it's called heliodor. All right, you know what? I just keep trying to show these gems out of the cups, but I just don't think that's gonna happen. So I'm gonna pop it back in and show it to you like that. Yeah. Very unusual. And then my favorite, indicolite tourmaline. I don't really want to take it out of the box to show you, but it'll fall. Anyways, you got to see this one in person. This one's definitely going up on the website. Hope you can visit us for our upcoming gem show and sale. It's all of May, and all you got to do is just make an appointment to come down and take a look at stones. There's no obligation. It's just for us to have time to be able to show you what we have. Thanks for looking.